This is our upcoming Redmi annual flagship K90 Pro Max. With constantly looking up, this is our appearance with a very significant upgrade full of flagship feel.
This time, the K90 Pro Max comes in 3 colors: black, shimmering white, and a special denim edition. Do you think they look good? Feel free to share in the comments which color you like the most. The phone features a 4-curved metal frame offering a great feel. Let me brighten the screen for you. It uses a 6.9-inch flat screen with large rounded corners, the same size as the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Up close, the clarity and transparency are excellent, and the visual effect is stunning. We also designed a very trendy denim special edition for our young friends. Today, it matches my outfit very well. It uses a tech material similar to denim fabric, which is not only wear resistant, but also easy to clean if it gets dirty. It's very versatile and looks great. Even when you see it, it doesn't shout for attention, but has its own style with a unique, youthful vibe and a sense of storytelling. The year 2025 is a big year for changes in phone design. The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max took a significant step in hidden sensing, and after its release, sales reached a new high, indicating that the market highly recognizes product innovation. Users are no longer hesitant about innovative products. This time, the K90 Pro Max has a new design, and I believe everyone will like it.
Now, the slogan for the K90 series is Dual Flagship, Strong 5 Online. In addition to its traditional advantages in performance, screen, and battery life, the K90 Pro Max will also see significant improvements in more technological experiences, definitely meeting everyone's expectations. Looking forward to the future.